Today on In the Box, we will be unboxing the brand new Samsung A20. Now, the Samsung A20 gives me the vibe of one of the OnePlus devices, like a OnePlus 7 Pro or OnePlus 6T, which you'll see based on the designs. But let's go ahead and start unpacking this bad boy. For those looking for a phone and don't want to spend $800-900, this is definitely one of the handsets that I would recommend purchasing. But let's go here. Sorry guys, I am trying to do this with one hand while recording with the other. It's pretty much been my style of shooting for a while, so just pardon my struggle. How does this thing? Oh, okay. There we go. It slides right out. Hold on 1 second. Oop. I might have to cut that. Actually, no, I'll just leave it. So you guys can see. You guys have an easier time than me doing this, so. Alright, now let's go. I'm going to take this off and let's see, there's the device. So here we have the Samsung A20. Again, I'm a fan of this design, even with the two cameras in the back and the fingerprint scanner. This is definitely a great phone for the price point. It's a mid-range device coming from Samsung. Now in the box we also have the serial numbers. T-Mobile devices, well, Samsung devices from T-Mobile typically come with these. We have the charging base, standard USB. So this is where you will connect your USB cable and the other end would go into the device. Here we have a USB cable. Let's see what format. Okay, so it's a USB Type-C. It looks like they're keeping the USB Type-C even for their lower end devices. So this goes into the charging base that I showed earlier in order to charge the phone. These phones actually come with the SIM tool. That's always a plus. If you don't have one of these, just a side note, you can use an A-ring also to pop out your SIM tray from any phone that has the built-in SIM card. But this is the SIM tool that Samsung gives you in order to put in the SIM card or SD card inside of the device. Let's continue here. Let's see what we got in this little box. I mean, I know what we have in the little box, but I want to show you guys. Usually these boxes hold just information for the devices. It's just packaged neatly. Alright, nothing left in there, that's all of it. So we have the welcome start guide. This pretty much gives you the basic step-by-step basic functions just to kind of get around the phone. We have the terms and condition, return policy and warranty. Don't forget, you get a year warranty for just manufacturer's defects, no physical damage for all handsets. And we have the terms and conditions, health and safety information. Samsung's pretty diligent in putting these in all of their devices. So there you have it. That's everything that comes inside of this box when you purchase a brand new Samsung A20. So make sure you share and make sure you subscribe. Thanks, you guys.